Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a new workflow scheme and assign a custom workflow to it for your Jira site. So let us dive right into it. So to access this menu with your workflow schemes, guys, here in your Jira site, what you will need to do is click into that gear icon in the top right corner of your Jira site's overview and click into work items here. Now here in your admin settings, guys, you may navigate from work items, for instance, to projects or to system. But for this method, you will need to head over to the work items, and here under workflows, click into workflow schemes. Now, if you, for example, created a custom workflow here in your workflow section, guys, like, I don't know, for instance, that one here, you will be given the opportunity to create a completely new workflow scheme and assign your workflow to that workflow scheme. By clicking into this button here, give your workflow scheme a name like workflow scheme 3. Describe it below, however doing that is not mandatory. Confirm by clicking into add here. That is going to create your workflow scheme. Now you can add your custom workflow to that scheme, for example, by clicking into this button, by selecting add existing, and by choosing one of your custom workflows. Let me go with this one here. After that, confirm by clicking into next here, and last but not least, guys, assign also issue types or work items to your workflow scheme. So let me go with these three here, confirm by clicking to finish, and that's it. That's going to add your workflow with these work types. Now, of course, you can delete that workflow here, or not delete, but remove it from that workflow scheme here by clicking into this button and leave it just with that one. So that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.